Moreover, in Andhra Pradesh, Chief Minister Kiran Kumar Reddy has threatened to quit politics if the centre goes ahead with the division of the state. However, his threat hasn't deterred New Delhi. The Home Ministry says that it's working overtime to get the Telangana bill ready for Parliament's budget session.
It's an all-out war in the Congress over the Telangana bill. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Kiran Kumar Reddy is threatening to quit politics if the bill is introduced in Parliament. This even as MPs plan to move a no-confidence motion against UPA.
And now maybe they are lingering about what should be done. Where are we standing? Because they know that it is an error. They made a biggest mistake. Constitutionally, they made a biggest mistake. This is going to, if they don't agree with me, they are going to face a very bad comments from the Supreme Court. A full bench will sit and they will say that the government has behaved without any responsibility, only for the advantage, political advantage, and the opposition has also supported.
Pro-Telangana voices, however, say that this is just a delaying tactic being adopted by Rayalaseema and Seemandhra congressmen who are opposed to the formation of the new state.
The last Chief Minister of this forcefully united state of Andhra Pradesh is having a lot of psychological imbalance, and his mental balance is totally out of his control and out of management. And after utilizing more than 40 days of time on the floor of the House and otherwise, which has been accorded by the President of India, and most of the time as they have misutilized, now they are trying to do the last minute gimmicks, are going to play havoc with the future of the people of Coastal Andhra and Rayalaseema.
The centre, though, has now decided to bite the T-bullet. Sources in the Home Ministry have told Headlines Today that irrespective of whether voting takes place in the Andhra Pradesh Assembly or not, the meeting of group of ministers to give final shape to the Telangana bill will be held in the first week of February. MHA officials will work round the clock to have the cabinet note ready by the 7th so that the bill is presented in the upcoming session of Parliament. If the party fails to bring the bill to the Parliament in the next session, it would not just be a loss of face, but it will also risk losing a sizable chunk of its vote bank ahead of the general elections.
हम तेलंगाना के पक्ष में हैं, परंतु सीमांध्र के साथ भी जिस प्रकार की परिस्थितियों का निर्माण किया गया है, तो सीमांध्र की समस्याओं का भी निराकरण किया जाना चाहिए.
As far as the time goes, if the extension of time is not given, no matter what the verdict of the assembly, the ball comes back here. And a cabinet note will be prepared. I believe the GOM will meet again. That is in the hands of the UPA government. They will work round the clock to make sure those technicalities are over.
With T.S. Sudhir in Hyderabad and Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.